So we have a budget, and with this budget, we have to buy a keyboard and a drive. And for each, so what we're going to do is we're going to create a loop that takes the first keyboard price and adds the drive, this drive, and then adds this drive and adds this drive. So we're going to have, for example, 45, 48, and 52. And then we're going to take the next keyboard and we're going to add this first drive again, second drive, and so on. And if it is within budget, if these two items, a combination of items, are within budget, we are going to return the price of the two items. And if it exceeds the budget, we're going to return -1. Let's see how we can do that. First, we're going to create a total price. So the total price is going to be, we set it to 0. And then we're also going to create, let's call this combo list. And this is going to be bang. All right. And okay, now 4K in keyboard. So for each keyboard, we're going to check each drive. So for each keyboard, and then for D in drives. We're going to take the two items and add them, right? So the first keyboard is going to go with the first drive, and then the first keyboard with the second drive, and so on. And we're going to call this a total price, and it's going to be equal to K plus D. And then we're going to check if total price is equal to, rather like smaller or equal to B, which is the budget. If this happens, we're going to take the combo list, so the list with all the prices of all the possible combinations that starts empty. So we're going to take this list and we're going to append the total price to it, right? Total price. All right. So if this is if we are within budget, and if not, it's going to be else. What do we do else? We're going to add -1. We're going to append -1 to the combo list. So combo list append -1. All right. It's this -1 here. And so we're going to have a combo list with a list of prices that are either within budget or that are -1 for when they are not. Let's check. So it should return a combo list, return combo list, combo. All right. Let's see. Then we have to take the highest number in the combo list, but just check what the combo list shows us. Come on. All right. So this is the output, right? We took all the combination 3 plus 5 equals 8, 3 plus 2 equals 5, 3 plus 8, well, it's above budget, so it's -1, and so on. And so now we want the function to return the highest number in this list. In this case, it should be 9. So what we're going to do, we're just going to come here and say max in combo list, and this should be enough to get the output we want. Seems to work. Let's submit. Come on. Bang. Yeah, here we go. Have a good one, folks. Peace.